Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and this is Growing on Vancouver Island. Today I'm standing in front of my western red cedar tree, and I'm going to show you something that a lot of homeowners, local gardeners often forget to do when they have large trees, bushes, shrubs growing in front of their fence lines, and that is trimming. This is a really important thing, and I see it quite often when I go for walks in our local neighborhoods, different areas, where people have big bushes, trees, and they completely forget to trim them. And over time, the trees and the bushes grow, they start to put pressure on the fence, which can cause damage to the fence, can cause fences to collapse. So today I'm going to show you how to do just a simple trim to keep your fences intact and your trees healthy. So let's trim. So this is the full view of one of my western red cedar trees. It does get trimmed fairly often, but the rear portion of the tree, which is touching the fence, is in need of another trim. So I'm going to show you what we do about that. So this tree is about 6 years old. And let's just have a look at the back side of the tree. So, I don't know if you can see, but the tree is putting some pressure on our fence on this side, and we'll swing around the other side of the tree. And it is putting a little bit of pressure on this side of the fence. So we are just going to take some clippers and start trimming. So we're just gonna start trimming any branches that are at all touching the fence. And we'll just continue trimming as many as we can that seem to be putting any pressure on our fence. So here is the tree that I have just trimmed the one side. We'll take a closer look. So if we look at the back of the fence, although the tree might be almost touching in some places, for the most part it is free of obstructions and won't be putting any pressure on our back fence. That's all there is to it. Just get out your clippers and start clipping. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.